Hi, we're the
The
Mouse Couple.
And today we're going to talk about the MyDisneyExperience app and website.
So let's get started.
To book your Walt Disney World vacation, the MyDisneyExperience app and website are very helpful in planning everything to do. To go to the MyDisneyExperience website, open up the Disney website and in the top right corner, click on MyDisneyExperience. This will bring up the home page and give you an overview of any current plans you have, and you can make additions to family and friends list, your resort, your park tickets, your dining, and your FastPass options. All of this can also be viewed in detail by clicking the drop-down menu and the My Plans option. Here you can see your FastPasses, specifically what rides and what times, and for what members of your party it is booked for, as well as any dining reservations and resort reservations that might be present for that day as well.
The next option is the My Magic Bands and Cards tab. On this tab, you can pick out magic bands. You'll see your resort hotel, a picture of it. You can pick out magic bands, you can scroll to the bottom and see any active or inactive magic bands associated with each member of your party. And you can also link magic bands, like if you bought one on Shop Disney or in the park that you thought was super cute.
The next option on the drop-down menu is the My Family and Friends option, where you can see all members of your travel party and add any members that may be traveling with you. Next is the My Photos option, which if you click on this, it brings you to the My Disney Photopass page, where you can either purchase a Photopass package after your trip, in addition to seeing any different photo gifts you want to make using your Disney photos. The next option on the list is the Reserve Dining option, and this will give you a list of all of the Disney restaurants and tell you what availability they have for your vacation. So for example, let's look for January 11th at 12 p.m. for 2 people and see what's available. From here, we can scroll down and see what restaurant we want to choose and filter by dining experience, price range, cuisine, any dining plans that might be accepted. And let's see, let's choose to eat at 50's Primetime Cafe. So we click what time we want to eat. This brings up options to fill out your dining party and prompt you through the rest of the reservation process. And once this is finished, it'll show up in your plans.
The next option on the drop-down link is for FastPass Plus. We're going to do a whole video devoted to FastPasses, so we'll skip over that for now. The option after that is to buy extras and experiences. So if you wanted something like an in-room celebration, that would be the place to look.
Next on our list is the option to purchase Memory Maker. So Memory Maker is the photo package that Disney uses. They use Photopass photographers, and Memory Maker is the system that includes all photos taken for your entire vacation, whether this is ride photos or photos before any kind of dining reservations and photos just in the park, in front of the castle. And to note, it is $169 if you get it in advance and $199 if you buy it within 3 days of the beginning of your vacation.
The last option on our drop-down menu is the Shop Disney Parks link, which will take you right over to the Shop Disney website.
Here you can purchase any kind of essentials for your Disney vacation before you go.
Now let's move on to the app.
When you first open up your MyDisneyExperience website, it brings you to this homepage, which gives you kind of an overview of your plans very briefly. The next icon on the bottom is a map icon. Here we mostly use this for wait times, but you can filter by what park you want to look at. So let's look at Hollywood Studios, for example, and hit apply. And this will tell us all the wait times currently in Hollywood Studios for every ride. Now you can do this on the map, or on the top right you can click Show List, which will pull up the list option of all the attractions and give you the wait times there in a different format. And say you want to see a height requirement, so we can click on, say, Star Tours and see what the height requirement is, which in this case would be 40 inches. Some other features to this map icon is that you can sort by not only wait times, but different attractions and characters, or Photopass photographers. You can see where all the Photopass photographers are within the park. Something else that's important is to search for restrooms. If you are looking for a restroom and you can't find one, you can pull up your app and sort the restrooms and see where the closest restroom is to you.
The next tab over on the MyDisneyExperience app is the Search tab, which is pretty self-explanatory. You can use that tab to search for anything you might need while you're in the Disney parks from your app.
Moving all the way to the right-hand side, the 3 lines is probably the most useful tab in this app, and this will bring up any kind of plans and your resort hotel similar to the website. Some unique characteristics about the app is that there's a whole Star Wars Galaxy's Edge option on here, which will bring up any kind of details related to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, including Rise of the Resistance boarding pass, which we will talk about in the Fast Pass video, in addition to the wait times for all the Star Wars rides. The next important icon on this menu is the Photos icon, where if you purchase the Memory Maker, your photos will show up here.
The next icon is the My Plans icon, which will show you any fast passes or dining reservations you've made.
One unique thing that can be done in both the app and on the website is you can modify your reservation. So let's click on the Beaches and Cream reservation and let's change it to an earlier time, let's say around 3 o'clock. And it'll pull up any available reservations at that time, so we can click on the 3:30 and continue through the reservation process to change the time of the dining reservation. You can also cancel a reservation if your plans change from here. Now note that the Disney restaurants do have a cancellation policy. If you cancel less than 2 days before the reservation, you will get charged. The next option on this menu is the mobile order option, which allows you to place a mobile order for any kind of quick service restaurant in the parks. So let's say we're going to Hollywood Studios and you want to order from Backlot Express. You can pull up this and it'll show you the menu and you can place an order. When you click on Order Food, you can sort the menu by different options you might want and add everything to your cart and make a purchase. The remaining options on here are the Shop Merchandise and Play Disney Parks, which are 2 separate apps that this will link you to. And then the most important thing when you're in the parks is this middle button with this little plus icon, which will bring up the Get Fast Passes, Reserve Dining, etc. This is your fast way to book anything else in the parks. And we will discuss more in our next video, specifically how to book Fast Passes.
So there you have it. This has been our quick overview of the Walt Disney World website and the MyDisneyExperience app.
Yeah, hopefully this was helpful in booking your next Disney vacation. It's a very important tool to have, especially the app when you're in the parks if you want to make extra fast passes or reserve dining or make a change to your current reservations. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And our next video we'll be talking about the fast passes and all that has to do with fast passes.
Oh yeah.
So thank you so much for watching and we will see you next time.
See you real soon.